Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Ego Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Lenovo Live application on our phone. In the app, we can allow or deny this permission, and now you should see the home screen of the app. Tap on the profile icon, select the Ego device from the list of devices, and here tap on the Unbind option, then tap on Unbind to confirm. The device should disappear from the list of devices, as you can see. You can also close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Here check if there is an Ego device on the list. As you can see, there's none. So we can just close the Bluetooth settings, and at this point our watch is unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.